Hey everybody, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax Somers Point, New Jersey. We're looking at this 2022 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. This particular boat is powered with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke. This has the gray sea deck on the platform. You have the ski pylon right here. And it also has a great sun pad here on the back of the boat. Walk through here. It's a nice walk-through transom so you're not walking all over the cushions. You have a nice infinity woven vinyl, which is removable, easy for cleaning. You have a lot of nice bow seating, a little storage up underneath. You have an anchor locker right here. You have your speakers, grab handle, really clean lines on it, nice upholstery, gray interior, it's the stone. Again, walk through bow here. You have your port lounger, which can be reduced down to a single chair with some extra leg room. You have a nice glove box here at the helm, on the port helm. Cup holders. This has a Simrad GPS chart plotter, depth sounder. You have a Fusion stereo on here. Tilt helm. Here's your controls. Nice captain's chair right here. Nice bit of lounging here in the back, and this also has a built-in cooler. And then you have obviously your walk-through right here, and then you have this has twin batteries with a battery selector switch. And you have a nice bimini top up here as well, which will shade the whole cockpit. So again, this is a great sandbar boat, a good dock and dine, water sports activities. Is very simple to run and very easy and a lot of fun to get out there with your family and your friends. If you want to see this boat or anything else, give us a call at 609-926-0600. See you out on the water.